Okay. He's eating this thing. They're using this. But he's destroying it.
What's your name, boy? Donnie Brasco, what's yours? What are all you New York guineas doing down here? Your missus invited us. Oh. Gentlemen, we're running a charity event here. We have a permit. You got a permit for the lion? Fucking embarrassed I am. The old man's people down here. A year now I gotta be in my house with the shades drawn. Where's that bag?
On weekends, does Maria move around? There we go.
It's Rusty's money.
Hold on, I'm taking a video.
That's a beautiful one.
I'm sorry. Shut up. You shut up. Sit down. Shut the fuck up. Like this, I gotta go back to New York. Make this right with Rusty.
Well, they said this is 100% organic. Hopefully the dirt is too.
Usually, the cops are so fucking dumb. It takes them 3 months just to get wins.
Are you gonna stop eating the dirt?
They gotta go get a warrant. They gotta go to the places where...
And you're destroying the thing too, you know.
And this is supposed to hurt him?
All this time.
It's supposed to give him all these vitamins or whatever, but he's chewing on the dirt too. It's made as a 100% organic. This stuff.
Picture there you have looking at it from this angle here. Beautiful.
Fine. Cut his prick off. Leave it in his mouth. Leave him on the street.
Hey, you enjoying that?
Okay.
You're destroying it, I think. Yes, you are. Don't say no.
Yeah, we busted her up. He's out of business. You understand?
Why I ask? Because I noticed, like, you know, Friday she's kind of slow on the Friday.
That's it.
So maybe
That's great.
weekend she's
I can't believe it. All right.
she's up again.
Talk to you later.
That's why I asked.
Some of that cheese and shit busted up the glue.
You destroy. He's.
Take this taste out of my mouth. There you go. Now
Would you stop eating the dirt? Hey.
Surfman? Is this down with us?
I think he had enough. What do you think, Angel? That's just the whole boot that you just chewed. That's it.
That's what he wants. The bird wants.
Yeah.
The seed.
But he's chewing on the dirt. I'm so happy this is organic. Hey, you having a good time?
Napkins and tablecloths, 500 scoot. 500 scoot. Down in Florida, it's 500 an hour. You like it down there so much, why don't you go buy some oranges? What do you got there, bull frog? My bag. I do it the best.
a guy boosted 30 tickets to Chaka Khan at the Garden.
Ranger?
Barcelona.
Ranger,
I thought we weren't supposed to talk about Florida.
you just ripping the whole roots out.
So you never got
Yes, you are.
No.
You doing the roots. Bye. Say bye.